So my name's Carl Monger. I'm 58 years old, and I served for 10 years as an active duty Army infantryman. Beat myself up a lot while I was on active duty. And after the military, I spent a lot of time in construction equipment sales and management. And for the last 10 years, I have run a veteran nonprofit called Gallant Few that helps veterans transition from active military duty. So overall in my life, my health has been very good. I've had no major illnesses, but I've had tons and tons of injuries, from many traumatic brain injuries to tearing a bicep on a parachute jump to I've had a total right hip replacement. I've had back surgery. I've got 3 herniated discs in my neck. There's just a laundry list of stuff that I've beat myself up over the years. I have tried surgery. I've tried acupuncture. I've tried chiropractic. I've tried physical therapy. I've tried pain medication, analgesic rubs. I mean, you name it, CBD oil, and exercise. So the reason that I came into Hope was I heard Dr. Joey Kramer do a presentation at a Rotary Club about his practice, about the way that he approaches spine health, brain health, and all that through managing the way that the bones in the neck are aligned. And I have, particularly over the last 3 years, I've had a lot of issues with my neck, and had radio frequency ablation on both sides in 6 different areas. I've had the cortisone injections and physical therapy. And so I thought, well, let's see what Dr. Kramer can do for me. Since I've seen Dr. Kramer, I have more flexibility in my neck. I have more range of motion. I have less of the neck pain, the chronic neck pain that was there. I still get it occasionally, but it's not like it was before. When I lay down to go to sleep, it's not as uncomfortable as it used to be. Biggest change in regards to my health over the last, say, 2 years, I've focused a lot on my core strength, and I'm stronger now than I was 2 years ago. I had total right hip replacement 6 years ago, and it's been a long process to regain that strength and the endurance that I used to have. And so I think now I'm back to close to where I was probably 25, 30 years ago. The sleep. The anti-gravity chairs. So the favorite part of my experience when I go to see Dr. Kramer is, well, first off, he does an adjustment to your neck that the very first time it happened, I thought I was going to throw up. But then he has this wonderful side room that has these anti-gravity chairs, and you rotate back, and for 20 minutes you take a nap, and it lets everything kind of resettle after the adjustment. That's a marvelous aspect of the practice. The other thing that astounded me was the first time that I went in and saw Dr. Kramer, and he looked at me. It wasn't the first time that I went in, but on one of my visits, he does his measurement and he goes, you're good. I don't need to adjust you today. I'm like, well, wait a minute. I've never been into a chiropractic office before where the doctor said, nope, don't need to do anything to you today. So I think that's very telling of not only the professionalism, but he does what's right for you, not what's right for him. And tell him go. So if somebody asked me about Hope Chiropractic, I'd say go check it out. Talk to Dr. Kramer, let him explain what he does. Talk to some of the folks that have used his services, and give it a shot.